Hi,
Hi, good morning.
yeah, you can turn on your camera.
Okay.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Fine. And you?
Yeah, see. So shall we start?
Yes, we can start.
Okay. So introduce yourself.
Myself, Aspal. I am starting with my school journey. I have started my school from we are in 10th. I have scored 72.8, and in 12th, I have scored 70.5. After that, I have started my college journey from the TL, and where I have scored 8.2 CGPA. And after completing my BE, where I have chosen CS branch, and after completing that, I have started my career journey from the technologies and services PBT entity located in, and in the starting I have started work as a trainee. In the starting 4 month, I worked as a trainee. After that, I have involved in support project for 6 months, and after my performance base, they have switched to me another government project here, like,
Okay.
and I am working as a Java developer.
Okay. So total, how many years of experience do you have?
I have a 3 years of experience total, and relevant 2.6 you can take after cutoff for training period.
Okay. So you are aware of which technologies?
I am aware with I have worked like Java Spring MVC framework I have used here, also Spring Boot, and for front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and to connectivity to the database, we are using Oracle here.
Okay. So you are aware of Java. So yeah. So then what do you know about Java?
Java is a programming language to develop standalone application, web application. Also, we can use Java in Android app.
Okay. So as we know, Java is platform independent. So
Yes,
why
yes.
Java is a platform independent?
Java is platform independent because it supports bytecode. Like if I have a class, and I will save with class dot Java extension. No, after that Java code I will compile. Compiler code will be converted into bytecode, and bytecode are effectively platform independent. Like we can use the bytecode of Windows, Mac operating system also.
Okay. Um, do you know, tell me the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM?
JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM stand for Java Virtual Machine, and for in my system, if I used to run Java code, I need Java Virtual Machine first. And JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which is providing which we are providing environment to compile and execute the Java program.
What are the OOPS concepts in Java?
OOPS concept like oriented programming system, and this is important for Java programming language. And OOPS concept are available like object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. These are in introduced in, like we can say, OOPS concepts.
So would you explain that concept?
Yes. First, I'm explaining class. Class is a blueprint of object having
Mhm.
variables. A class can have variables, methods, blocks, constructors, and class also have under the class, like in our class we can say, and object. Uh, Object also we can say blueprint of class and inheritance. Inheritance, we can say parent child relationship. If I have a class A and I have a class B, and I am extending class A from B. B extends A. It can take all the features of a parent class in the child class. It is called parent-child relationship or inheritance. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept of which we can perform single action in different ways is known as polymorphism. Polymorphism is a Greek words like poly and morphs. Poly means many and morphs means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. There are two types of polymorphism available in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. And encapsulation. Encapsulation is known as wrapping the code and data together into single unit is known as encapsulation. And abstraction. Abstraction, hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user is known as abstraction.
Okay. So do you aware of equals method and equal operator
Equals. Equals we can use for comparing the data. If I have we also
and
use
equal
it as,
operator?
sorry,
Hello.
equal operator.
Okay. Um. So final, finalize, and finally. Why are these three keywords used?
Final, finally,
Finally and finalize.
finalize. Finally, final keyword. Final keyword, if I use for class in the class, I can't extend it. Like it's a class will be immutable class. And if I use final with variable, we can't change its value. And if I use the method as a final, we cannot override it. And finally block uh, finally block is executed when exception occurred or not every time.
Okay. Um, I am sharing. Just share your screen.
Okay.
I've shared this program. Just tell me, will this work or like it will give an error? So, and if it give error, why and which one?
Okay. This time. I think it will not work because if I declare a variable value I equal to 20, once initialized we can't change. And int j equal to I plus 10 means 20 plus 3 30. If value is no, we can't change this value.
Okay. So yeah, your screen is not visible.
My screen,
Yeah. To share your
I
screen,
have shared.
but it is not visible. Just reshare again.
Okay.
So do you have any IDE or like compiler anything? Or you just on like any compiler in Chrome itself?
I have ID like Eclipse ID I have.
Okay, you can just open it. I will give just a program. You just write over there. Or you can write in a chat also if it is comfortable for you.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Okay. So you have to write a program to reverse and a string. Do you have are you aware of string now?
Yes.
So write a program to reverse a string.
Okay. Can I use Notepad or
Yeah, sure, sure. You can use anything.
sorry, I forgot this name.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I was in mute. I have shared a question, program in chat. Just check it. What will be the output of this?
Okay. Spring new string test. Well, string output. Yes. Here I have string class object and we are assigning test. String str. Two objects are there, string one and string one. and both are same. String manipulation.
Take your time. It's not a big-
Mm.
You're not aware
Same.
of that?
No, I'm aware of,
Okay.
I'm,
Okay, no problem. No problem.
it
So,
will, it
mhm.
will assign test, means it will print test. Test is available for both object. First, it will check in string constant pool. In the string, one object created same string. We can't create two objects. First, it will check test is there or not. If
Mm-hmm.
available, it will be pointing to the same reference like test.
Okay. So, we mainly we write public static void main string arguments. But what if we write like this? Will this work?
When public static, this is a syntax like main method.
Uh, will this work? This syntax can we can write this syntax or not? Just
Public static static string. I think it will work.
oh, okay. So how we can create an object? Do you know how we can create an object of a class?
In this method.
No. Any other thing like any we have a
Okay, okay.
test class. We have to
Yes,
create a
yes.
object of that class. So how can we create?
Okay. We will be able to create object by using new keyword. If I have a class test, I can
Hmm.
write
Just
that.
writing a text,
Okay.
the chat. Yeah, just write over there how we can create a object of class test. We have a class test. Yeah, yeah, yes. Okay, okay, good. So, last one, or we can do you aware of exceptions?
Yes, I am aware.
So, what are exceptions?
Exception are abnormal condition, and like we can say, if I have code, any code, Java code, and there are some problems in occurring, that is called exception. Like we can say, abnormal condition of uh,
Okay. So, like exceptions are of how many types?
exceptions.
Hmm.
SQL uh, com- SQL exception and arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number
Okay.
format exception, like.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Do you know static keyword?
Yes.
What? What is static keyword?
Static is a keyword in Java. To define, we can use a static keyword to create a method static. We can use a static keyword in variables, methods, and class also we can use. And static keyword is also known as class level. Class level.
Okay. What the static keyword do?
Static keyword, if I declared any variable as a static, it will create a memory like class level memory, not object.
Okay. So
Memory
can
allocated.
we,
Other by using static keyword,
mm-hmm.
we are allocating the
You are
memories.
disconnected, I guess.
Sorry.
Yeah. Hello. You are not
Yes.
audible.
Yes. If we are
Yeah.
using a static keyword, we are allocating the memory in simple word.
Okay. So can we overload a static method?
Static method. No, I think I'm not sure.
Okay. Are you aware of Spring Boot?
Yes,
Okay. So what do you know about dependency injection?
yes. Dependency AC injection we are using for, like, if I have a controller and a class for the connectivity to the service. Like I have a controller and service for connectivity to the service. I will use at the rate auto wire annotation wire for the connectivity.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So do you aware of annotations? What are
Yes.
annotations in Spring Boot?
Yes. Firstly, I'm saying like at the rate rest controller, at the rate response body, at the rate auto wire, at the rate auto configuration, and at the rate
What
entity.
these are the examples of annotations. What is annotation?
Annotation,
What is
if I am declaring annotation for controller, for example, at the rest controller, we can also make a controller at that controller and rest controller. But if I
hmm.
am declaring at the rest controller, I am finding the classes like which is already available in Java, like at the rate response body, rest
Hmm.
controller also known as combination of at the rate controller and response body. So I am using the class which is already available in Java. So
Okay.
it's
Okay.
usable.
Okay. So yeah, I am done with the questions. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have which frameworks and which version we are using. You are using in
Oh,
your.
it would depend on the project you have assigned. Like after selection, all the things are done. You have been assigned to a project, and that will depend which framework and which things you have to be work on.
Okay, fine then.
Yeah. Okay, so we can disconnect. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.